If you want your document to look clean, balanced, and professionally formatted, knowing how to apply normal margins in Microsoft Word is a simple skill that makes a big difference. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch your page margins back to the standard normal setting in Microsoft Word, whether you're working on an essay, a report, a business document, or anything else that needs proper page layout. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and look at the top of the window. You'll want to go to the Layout tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps the page setup tools, including margins, orientation, and size. Once you're in the Layout tab, look for the Margins option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several preset margin choices. From that list, choose Normal. In most versions of Microsoft Word, the Normal preset sets your margins to 1 inch on all sides, which is the standard format used for many documents. As soon as you select it, Word will automatically update the page layout for your document. You may notice the text shifting slightly on the page, and that's completely normal because the page boundaries have changed. If you're not sure whether the change worked, you can always check the ruler or simply look at how the text is positioned on the page. This method is fast, easy, and perfect if your document was previously using custom margins, narrow margins, or another layout style that you want to reset back to the default. One useful tip is that you can also apply normal margins before you start typing, so your entire document stays consistent from the beginning. That can save you time later, especially if you're formatting long documents or school assignments. And if you ever need to change the margins again, just come back to the same Layout tab, open Margins, and pick the setting you want. Microsoft Word gives you a lot of flexibility, but Normal is the safest choice when you want a clean, standard page setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Microsoft Word guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.